YUNZII AL80 CNC aluminum keyboard with double-shot keycaps with remote connection and linear custom switches. Let's go! Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev, and today I want to show you newest mechanical keyboard from YUNZII brand, and this is AL80 in full aluminum case with remote connections, with really nice keycaps, switches and all of that. But let's go one by one. First of all, as you may see, we have a 75% layout for this keyboard, but with mechanical metal knob, with a small screen on the right side, with additional RGB element, and as I already mentioned, fully aluminum case. From the back side, we have this additional weight with pretty nice color. We have 4 rubbed fits, and you can see that you have easy access to internal part of the keyboard, which means this keyboard is mod friendly. From this side, we have 2.4 wireless dongle for wireless connection. We have a switch between Bluetooth and 2.4, and we have USB-C cable or USB-C port. So one of the main features of this keyboard, let me show you closer, we have this nice screen, and we can change from time to GIF file, so you can upload via driver or QMK driver, right? You can upload any of your own GIFs or pictures, and you will have something else different from what you have as a pre-built. Okay, let's check closer what we have as keycaps. As I already mentioned, we have double-shot PBT keycaps, pretty standard, with high-quality prints as legends, right? So nothing bad, nothing good, just a standard keycaps. Under the keycaps, we have 5-pin linear pre-looped transparent body and RGB guide, and this is a Gateron. The name of the switches is Zero switch, and this is a really high quality switch. I did test them some time ago on my channel, and they produce a really great sound. Under the switch I can see a switch pad, and this is again great for the sound, but I will show you, or I will do a sound test in a second. And we have a south facing RGB, which means that theoretically, if you want, you can use side printed legends, because with a south facing RGB we can use them, it will shine through. From the structure of this keyboard, this is a perfect example how any of mechanical keyboard should be built, right? Because we have a switch plate, we have port inside between PCB and switch plate, we have all needed sound dampening and vibration removing foams inside the case, right? And as I mentioned, you can just unscrew these 8 screws and get inside this keyboard if you want to experiment or do a modding, right? But you will hear the sound and you will understand that you don't need any moddings for this keyboard. To be able to switch between different modes of the screen, you can use function 8, it's a time, function 9, it's a GIF file or small video file. What you can use your own, and you can upload it using like via driver, or you can have another one. So it's several options for you how to customize the screen for your needs. From the RGB point of view, we have like full range of possible customization. You can change it from the hotkeys on the keyboard itself, right? Or you can use via driver and do a customization of RGB or macros or a key assignment and a GIF image display settings. Okay guys, it's all good. So we have a proper keycaps, we have a proper switches, we have a 3-mode wireless connectivity, we have some display to add a little bit fun to the keyboard and to your desk. But what is a main feature of the proper mechanical keyboard is a sound, and just listen to the sound test.